from the weather team with the most experience. This is Channel 7 meteorologist Barry Brandt.
Our photojournalist Brian Empfinger caught this, an approaching storm coming into Conway today. And look at that. It's a nice shelf cloud there, just kind of out in advance of a thunderstorm. And that thing was really starting to put out some wind until it got to about Conway. And the wind was not so strong. By the time it got to Little Rock and Conway, it had started to weaken just a little bit, but a pretty impressive storm system. And we have more of those storms that will be coming over the next 5 days or so. Through Monday of next week, North Arkansas could see 3 or 4 inches of rain, 1.5 inches to 3 inches here, not in just one shower, but over the course of those days. And the least amount in South Arkansas, but still 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall in southern Arkansas. Today, of the major reporting stations anyway, Russellville had 1 inch of rain. Now, there were heavy rainfall amounts in Yell County back into Perry County. By the time it got to Little Rock, it was weakening, and at the Little Rock Airport anyway, 1400s. Now, you notice no rainfall indicated between Little Rock and West Memphis. That's just because there's not a major hourly reporting station there, but there were downpours of rain for you folks in Lonoke County, Prairie County, Monroe County, and points off to the east before this thing exited over the Mississippi River. And here in the Little Rock area, the farther north you went, much more rain. North Little Rock Airport, 3/4 of an inch of rain, while Little Rock had 1400s, and out in West Little Rock, about 1/2 inch. This morning also, maybe before the clouds moved in, you saw the blood moon. Yeah, the second of the total lunar eclipses last night. Yeah, a really great shot of it. Brought in by Joe Porter. I caught it just briefly before the clouds started to gather, and he sent it to photo at KATV.com. You can do that too. A little bit of an unsettled pattern in the next few days. Tomorrow, not much of a rain chance at all. Small chance afternoon and evening. But then by late Friday, just in time for high school football, I think, could be that early that we see rain showers moving in. Saturday, a decent shot at rain, and Sunday. And, oh yeah, beyond that, Monday, there could be more rainfall coming. So this is kind of an iffy pattern here over the next few days, although tomorrow I don't think a big rain chance. There's the frontal boundary right now. Now, let's take a look at why I think we could have some heavy rainfall. Look at all this rain out here. It's kind of in a common-shaped pattern. That's the leftovers, folks, of a Pacific hurricane. It was called Simon, and that will be pulled into our area over the weekend. That's why the rainfall amounts could be a little bit heavier as we head toward Friday night, Saturday, and then again later in the day, Sunday and into Monday. 85 at Little Rock today after the sun came out, 83 at North Little Rock, and there's a live look at our Middleton Heat and Air Sky Cam. Not a bad afternoon, but it's hazy and it's humid. That dew point of 70, that's almost middle of summer type humidity. 81 degrees here in Little Rock, 81 at Batesville, and Futurecast will show that front lifting north tomorrow with just a small chance of rain, maybe mainly Little Rock northward. But watch what happens on Friday. Not much during the day, but by Friday night, the first of several waves coming in, and it's going to get wet. 65 our low tonight. I've taken any mention of rain out, though. Partly cloudy skies and fairly mild. For tomorrow, a high of 86, and there isn't much of a rain chance at all. I'd say Little Rock northward the best chance, and that's only 20%. But as we head late in the day Friday, and I know Steve Sullivan is looking at that going, what? Come on. Well, maybe it'll be later in the night, but there is a good chance of rain once it starts. And then Saturday, Sunday into Monday, also chances of rain. And for Fayetteville anyway, it may be gone by 5 o'clock by the start. I think there's a really good chance of rain during the day. We'll have that forecast fine-tuned by tomorrow, though.
Looking at a silver lining, hopefully.
Yeah,
okay.
I hope so.
Barry, thank you.